Hi, on today's video, I want to show you how to create an M-PESA Visa card. The reason I'm doing this is so that I can update my payment to keep my 30 GB plan in my photos backup under Google. So to do that, you have to access your M-PESA app, Safaricom M-PESA app. Once you click on it, you will be requested to input your PIN. And once you do that, that's the M-PESA app homepage. And then you scroll down to Global Payments under My Finances. Once you click on Global Payments under My Finances, you see the M-PESA Visa Card option, which is the first one. When you click on that, it will then prompt you to input your M-PESA PIN number for security reasons. So once I have input my M-PESA PIN number, it will now create an M-PESA Visa card for me. Remember, this is what I'll get. I'll get virtual card instantly. I'll get a virtual card instantly. And I can make payments on international online merchants like Netflix and Amazon. Next, we get to opt in. Remember to read the terms and conditions. Again, it prompts you to input your M-PESA PIN for security reasons, and then it automatically creates a Visa card for you. And there it is. Once you click on See Card Details, it starts counting down some seconds. It counts down for you. And once it gets to 0, again it hides those details. So that's a security feature that's very unique. Remember, you can block this card down there whenever you realize some suspicious transactions that you're not comfortable with. You can block the card. So let's see the card details. Again, it prompts you to input your M-PESA PIN for security. And once you do that, you get to see the card details. I'll hide my details. And on these card details, you have the card number, the expiry date, that is like 01/27 expiry date, and then the 3-digit security numbers that appear at the back of most of your bank cards. So those are the details you will always need when you're making international payments or using your card somewhere. The card number, the expiry date, and the 3-digit security number. So you can see once the timer expires, you have to input your M-PESA PIN again so that you're able to see the card details. So I want to try and pay for Netflix, onboard onto Netflix on the Kenya shillings 200 option per month, 200 bob per month. That's about $1 per month. And then I also want to upgrade my storage, photos storage backup on Google. So I input my card details, my Visa card details, M-PESA Visa card details, and voila, it has worked. Let me show you how that is. So these are the details that you input out there on those platforms that you want to make your payments on. Remember, you can always ensure that M-PESA balance is sufficient for successful payments, and charges will continue unless you remove your card from the website. And remember, you need to subscribe and you need to input these card details on those websites that you want to make payments on. So that's the M-PESA Visa card, Global Pay. Global Pay. Remember, it will always prompt you for the PIN. Every step you have to input the PIN to make sure that the person that is using this service is the owner of this M-PESA account. So you can see down there, after I input my card details on Google through my manage your account, on your email, manage your account, you input this card number, and then upgrade your storage, photo storage, to let's say 30 GB, 1 TB, 100 GB. So you can see I was deducted some Kenya shillings 50 together with 1.75 as charges. So that Kenya shillings 50 bob, as we say, is for my storage, 1 month storage, 30 GB. So, dear customer, you've been successfully registered to the M-PESA Global Pay, and you can see Kenya shillings 50 sent to M-PESA card for account Google One. That is the photos backup. And in my Google account, the payment method has been updated. So Visa 3569 is now my primary method. Then you're sent some receipts, some invoices, and all that. So you're able to see the activity that is going on with your card. So my Google Play order receipt number, you see that GB, and you can see the payment method has been updated. I literally updated it. So I input my card details. Thank you for watching and have a good one.